Hello dear students, welcome to Esther Fashion and Services. My name is Zawadi. Today we'll be learning how to make this simple dress you see on the screen. These are the materials I'll be using. I have tape measure, pins, chalk, ruler, scissors, and this is the fabric I'll be using. It's 100% cotton. Winch is 6 yards by 45 inches. So the width is 6 yards wide, the length is 45 inches. The measurements I will be using are the shoulder measurement, which is 9 inches, round bust 44 inches, waist 38 inches, from shoulder to bust point 12 inches, from shoulder to waist 18 inches, from shoulder to under bust 15 inches. Bust span or nipple to nipple is 9 inches and the full length is 46 inches. Quickly, let's start. So this is the fabric. This is for the front and for the back. For the front is folded into two and for the back is folded into two as well. Remember, the back will have a zip. I'm going to cut the front and the back at the same time. The width of the back is bigger than the front because of the zip. Okay, so this is it. This is the back. You can see this is the back. I'm going to mark my 0.75 inch for zip allowance. I mark 0.75 inch for the zip allowance. Okay, so this is 0.75 inch. Then I bring the straight ruler and connect. After this, I connect with the straight ruler like this. Can you see? So this is 0.75 inch for zip allowance. I place the front on top of the back like this. The front starting from the 0.75 inch seam allowance. Can you see? I left 0.75 inch. Let me show you nicely. The front starting from this line. Can you see? I placed the front like this. So now I'm going to fold the 0.75 inch. I fold it this way like this because I don't want you to get confused. Then I use my pin to hold the fabric down. What I'll be doing next is to draw the starting line. There is no any specific measurement for it. You can go down by 1 inch or 0.5 inch. It depends of your preference. So I draw the starting line. For the neckline, I am not sure about the neckline I'm going to use, but let's do first 3 inches by 1.5 inch for the back. So 3 inches by 1.5 inch for the back. This is 1.5 inch for the back. Then I will bring my curve ruler and connect. Okay, so I connect it like this. For the front, I use 3 inches by 3 inches. 3 inches neck width and 3 inches neck depth. The shoulder measurement I'm working with is 9 inches. I mark 9 inches here. Then I go down by 1 inch for the back and 1.5 inch for the front. After this, I connect with the straight ruler from this point to neck width like this. Hope you can see. To get the chest line, you need your round bust measurement divided by 6 plus 1.5 inch. Mine is 9 inches plus 1 inch for the shoulder slope for the back will give me 10 inches. From the shoulder here, I'm going to mark 10 inches like this. Hope you understand. I mark 10 inches. Can you see? Starting from the shoulder line, I mark 10 inches. Then I connect with the straight rule. From the shoulder to waist measurement I'm working with is 18 inches. I mark here 18 inches. This is 18 inches and 1 inch will be for the seam allowance. From the shoulder to bust point measurement I'm working with is 12 inches. I mark here 12 inches. Then I connect with the straight rule. Can you see? From the shoulder to under bust is 15 inches. I mark here 15 inches and connect as well like this. This is it. This is the waist line, under bust line, bust point and chest line. And this is my 1 inch would be for the sewing allowance. Okay. What I will be doing next is to bring down the shoulder measurement and mark here. Then I connect with the straight ruler like this. Can you see? So after this, I'm going to divide this line into two, starting from the back shoulder slope, okay, to chest line. Then I divide it into two like this. From this point, I will go in by 0.5 inch. Then I connect from the shoulder slope to this point like this. Can you see? My round bust measurement is 44 inches divided by 4, then I mark here. After this, I connect like this with my curve rule. For the front, I would go up by 3.5 inches and mark here. Then I would go in by 0.75 inch and mark. After this, I connect with the straight ruler like this. Can you see? Then I use my curve ruler to connect from this point to chest line like this. This is the armhole for the back and this is for the front. The round waist measurement I'm working with is 38 inches divided by 4 would give me 9.5 inches. Then I add 1.5 inch for that. After this, I will connect from chest line to waist line like this. Hope you can see what I am doing. My nipple to nipple measurement is 9 inches divided by 2 is 4.5 inches. I mark here from the waistline 4.5 inches. From the bust point, I repeat the same thing. Then I connect with the straight ruler like this. For the back from the chest line, I would go down by 1 inch. Then I will connect straight down from the waist. So let's continue with the front. From the bust point, I go down by 1 inch. Then I open my dart with 0.75 inch on both sides. 0.75 inch. For the under bust, I will use 1 inch on both sides. 1 inch here and 1 inch on the other side as well. After this, I will connect like this. From the under bust to waistline, from the under bust to waistline like this. Then from the under bust to bust point, okay, to 1 inch below the bust point like this. Hope you can see what I am doing. Now I'm going to extend the line down as you can see like this. I'm going to adjust the neckline, but I don't know exactly the shape I'm going to use. So for the neck width, I use 4.5 inches. Then for the neck depth for the front, I will use 6 inches. After this, I will connect with the straight ruler like this. I'm still going to change this V shape maybe into sweetheart neckline. You can use any shape you want, okay? So for the neck width for the back, I'm going to redraw again the neck width. I use 4.5 inches as the same with the front. So I'm done. I'm going to add my seam allowance. From the joining for the shoulder, I add ½ inch. And for the neckline here, I add ½ inch as well. ½ inch. After this, I connect with the straight rule. Can you see? So for the armhole, I add as well ½ inch for the armhole. I add ½ inch like this. Can you see? Then I use my straight ruler and connect like this. Then I use the curve ruler and connect this way as well like this. I add ½ inch for the armhole. Can you see? Now I'm going to extend this line like this. Can you see? So for the side, I think I'll add 2.5 inches or 1.5 inch. Or I will add 2.5 inches. You can use more or less than that. After this, I connect and I'm done. I use my scissors and cut out the fabric. I remove my pin. Can you see? This is the back and this is the front. What I'll be doing next is to transfer the dart on the other side like this. Hope you can see that. Then I will repeat the same thing for the back as well. Can you see? I'm going to repeat exactly the same thing. I repeat the same thing on the other side of the front, as you can see, okay? So this is the front. I will bring my scissors and trim out the armhole. Remember, the front is deeper than the back. I'm done with the armhole. I use my scissors and cut the neckline as well. I'm still going to adjust the neckline. You can leave it this way, it's fine. Okay, but I'm going to change it. This is the front. You can see this is the front. This is the front. I will put the front aside. Then I bring the back. This is the back. I draw the chest line. This is the chest line. Then I'm going to mark my nipple to nipple measurement divided by 2, which is 4.5 inches. Then I go down by 1 inch. From the waistline, I mark 4.5 inches as well. Then I open my dart with 0.5 inch. For the back, I use 0.5 inch on both sides. Then I connect like this from 1 inch below the chest line to waistline like this. Can you see? From the center back here, I will go up by ½ inch. I go up here by ½ inch, then I connect with the straight ruler like this. Can you see? After this, I will go in here by ½ inch as well, then I will connect like this. Then I will return back the ½ inch. Can you see? And redraw again the back seam allowance for the zip. Okay, just like this, everything you take, you need to return it back. So I bring my scissors and trim out the excess. Okay, so I trim out what we don't need anymore. My round waist is 38 inches divided by 4 would give me 9.5 inches. I had 0.75 inch for zip allowance, then I mark 9.5 inches here. After this, I will add 1 inch for that intake. This is 1 inch for that intake. Can you see? I add 1 inch here for that intake. Then I add 2.5 inches for seam allowance. There's no any shortage. It's the same with the front. Okay. After this, I connect with the straight ruler like this. I'm going to trim a little bit of excess like this. Can you see? After this, I'll transfer the dart on the other side of the back. I will bring my scissors and notch the dart. Hope you can see that. I redraw the line so that you can see clearly what I am doing. I notch my dart like this. Then I'll transfer everything on the other side. So I'm done transferring the dart. Hope you can see what I am doing. I notch the zip allowance. I notch the 0.75 inch for the zip. Now I'm going to cut the skirt, and I need my round waist measurement divided by 3.14 because I will use half cycle. It means 180 degree for the front and 180 degree for the back. So I measure my round waist measurement minus 3 inches for that intake will give me 24.5 inches. Okay. Let me show you clearly. The round waist measurement is 27.5 inches. This is my round waist measurement, which is 27.5 inches. Can you see? Minus 3 inches for that intake will give me 24.5 inches. I put the front aside and this is the back. For the back, I'm going to repeat almost the same thing. You measure your round waist measurement times 2. The back is 2 pieces. Here, can you see? Times 2, then you minus 2 inches for that intake. Hope you understand. Okay, so this is the front, and my waist measurement is 27.5 inches minus 3 inches for that intake. 24.5 inches divided by 3.14 will give me 7.8 inches. So the radius is 7.8 inches. I will cut half cycle for the front and half cycle for the back, which will give me full cycle. My full length is 46 inches minus half length will give me 28 inches. 28 inches plus 7.8 inches will give me 35.8 inches. Okay, then I will add 1 or 2 inches to it for hemming below. Remember, the fabric is folded into 2. Can you see? The fabric is folded into 2. Then I'm going to mark my skirt length. Okay, the skirt length is 35.8 inches. Then I will add 2 inches to it for hemming below. So this is it. So the fabric is folded into 2. I'm going to fold again into another 2 to make it 4. Okay, I will fold in bias form. Okay, I fold it into 4 like this in form of triangle. Hope you can see that. So let me restart again. The fabric is folded into 2. Can you see? Then I fold again into another 2 to make it 4. Okay, so I bring my pin to hold the fabric down, as you can see. Then I fold again into another 2 to make it 4 in form of triangle. Can you see? This is it. I fold it into 4 now. So the fabric is folded into 4. I'm going to cut half cycle for the front and half cycle for the back, which is 180 degree for the front and 180 degree for the back, which will give us 360 degree, which is full cycle. So I'm going to trim this excess because I don't need it. Okay, I'm going to mark my radius, which is 7.8 inches. Remember, to get the radius, you need your round waist measurement divided by 3.14 for the half cycle. Okay, or you can start your measurement at the point and mark your skirt length. Okay, or you can do this way as well. So it's two methods to get your skirt length. Can you see? After this, you can mark your skirt length like this. But for me, remember, we add the radius to it. You can start from here and mark your skirt length, or you can start from the top here. I'm going to start from the top here. Remember, my skirt length is 28 inches. Then I add the radius to it, okay? After that, I mark my skirt length. My measurement starting from the point or at the top, because I add the radius to it, okay? Then I mark my skirt length. Hope you understand. After this, I mark my seam allowance for hemming below. You can add 1 inch, 2 inches, depending on your preference, okay? I'm done, and I will repeat the same thing for the back as well. So after this, I will bring my scissors and cut out the skirt, okay? I cut out the front, as you can see. I cut out the front. I'll put the front aside and bring the back as well. I just repeat the same thing for the back. The difference only, I just add 0.75 inch for zip allowance, okay? So this is the back. I want to cut the midpoint, because I'm going to add the zip to it, okay? So this is it. I'll bring my scissors and cut it like this. Can you see? I cut the middle of the back, because the back will have the zip. So this is the back. I will put the back aside, then I will cut straight the sleeve. So this is the fabric for the sleeve. Is folded into 4. Can you see? The fabric is folded into 4. I folded into 2, then I fold again into another 2 to make it 4, because I'm going to cut both sleeves at the same time. From the center of the sleeves, I mark 2.5 inches. 2.5 inches. Then I will connect with the straight ruler like this. Now I'm going to draw the starting line. There's no any specific measurement for it. So I will go down just by ½ inch and connect like this. So this is it. What I'll be doing next, I'm going to mark 7 inches for the gathers, okay? So I mark here 7 inches. This is 7 inches. I'm going to repeat the same thing here and mark 7 inches. After this, I will connect with the straight ruler like this. Can you see? So the sleeve length I'm working with is 11 inches, include the seam allowance. Then I will add the band to it of 1 inch or 1.5 inches. So I repeat the same thing here and mark 11 inches. After this, I connect with the straight ruler like this. So I extend my line. Can you see? This is it. To get the cap height, you need your round bust measurement divided by 12. So I mark my cap height. I think I use 4 inches. Then I connect like this. My round armhole measurement is 9 inches. So I'm going to mark 9 inches from the cap height. Can you see? I mark 9 inches. Then I add 2 inches to it for ease and sewing allowance. From the sleeve here, I will mark 8 inches. 8 inches. Then I will add 1 inch or ½ inch, okay? So I see like I add 2 inches is too much, okay, from the armhole. So from the sleeve I add ½ inch. Then from the armhole I add 1 inch, because I see like 2 inches is too much, so I add only 1 inch. And for sleeve I add ½ inch. After this, I connect like this. I'm going to connect again from this point to this point. Can you see? Then I'm going to divide this line into 2. From this point, I will go up by ½ inch. Then I will connect like this. Can you see? So I connect like this. This is it. So I'm going now to draw the front armhole. Remember, the front are not the same with the back. From the center of the sleeve, I will go in by 3.5 inches. Okay, I go in by 3.5 inches. Then I will use the chalk and mark. So this is it. I mark 3.5 inches. After that, I'm going to connect just like this. I will connect straight like this. Can you see? I'm going to connect like this. Hope you can see what I am doing. So this is it. This is the armhole. I'm going to add my 1/2 inch seam allowance like this. Can you see? So I'm done, and then I bring my scissors and cut the sleeve. Okay, so I'm going to cut it like this. Hope you can see what I am doing. This is the sleeve. This is the sleeves. Below here I will make like 1 kissing pleat, and on top I will make gathers. So let me open and show you how it look like. Can you see? This is the sleeve. What I will be doing next is to trim the front. Remember, the front is deeper than the back, so I trim the front like this. Can you see? I don't want the video to be too long, but for sewing, first you need to stitch the dart. So this is the back. I will stitch the dart first, and then I will repeat the same thing on the other side of the back and stitch like this. Okay, after stitching, I will bring one piece of the skirt and stitch it on one piece of the top of the back. Okay, so this is it. I will stitch it this way like this. Don't mind those paper, I will remove it later. So this is the back. I will place it this way like this and stitch. Then I will repeat the same thing on the other side of the back. I will stitch the skirt on it like this and stitch of 1/2 inch. I will repeat exactly the same thing on the lining as well. This is the front. You can see it has lining. I'm going to adjust the neckline because I don't really like this V shape, so I extend the line like this. Can you see? I just extend the line, but the neck width is the same with the back, so I extend the line just like this and redraw it so you can see it clearly. I'm going to just to make a curve. Okay, you can go here by 2 inches and make your curve with your free hand, but I'm going to use my curve ruler just like this. I use my curve ruler and curve it like this, just something like sweetheart neckline. Can you see? This is it. I'm done, and then I'll bring my scissors and trim the excess because I don't need it anymore, so I trim it like this. Can you see? Hope you understand what I am doing. So this is the front. I think I will love this. Yeah, I remove my pin and I open my front with the lining. This is the front. I remove the lining and stay with the fashion fabric alone. This is the neckline. Can you see how beautiful it is now? What I will be doing next, I'm going to stitch. Okay, so I will show you what I will be doing. I will use my pin and hold the dart down like this, then I will stitch. Can you see? I will stitch. After that, I will repeat the same thing on this side and stitch as well. I will stitch like this, like this. Can you see? After stitching, I will bring the skirt and stitch on it. Okay, right side facing. Then I will place the skirt like this. After this, I will go ahead and stitch. I will use 1/2 inch and stitch. Okay, I will stitch like this. Hope you understand. So after this, now I'll bring the back and stitch the dart as well. Okay, so this is the back. This is the back. Everything that I'm doing, I will repeat the same thing for the lining. I will stitch the dart like that. Then I will stitch the skirt on it like this. I'll bring my pin and pin it down. After pinning it down, then I will stitch. Okay, so this is the back. I place the back on top of the front. I use my pin to hold the fabric down. Can you see? So with right side facing, I will go ahead and stitch the shoulder first. Okay, so I will stitch the shoulder and repeat the same thing on the other side and repeat the same thing for the lining as well. Okay, so main fabric to main fabric and lining to lining, I will stitch the shoulder. After stitching the shoulder, I will go ahead and stitch the pocket. Okay, from the waistline I will go down by 1.5 inches, then I will stitch the pocket. After stitching the pocket, I will go ahead and stitch the side. So after that, I will stitch the sleeve. Okay, I will gather the sleeve and stitch it. Then I will hem below. When I'm done, I will show you the result. So I'm going to stitch, then I will show you the end result. Thank you for watching. Still Esther Fashion and Services. This is the dress and it's very beautiful. Thank you once more again. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.